Hi, I'm Paris Childress, CEO here at Hop Online, and in this video, I want to walk you through our content optimization process. So often what we see with websites that have been around for a while is that there are a lot of pages that through optimization can perform better and bring a lot more new traffic, qualified traffic, as opposed to building new content. So what we want to do is we want to identify opportunities to improve existing content and get better performance out of that content as an alternative to creating new content. So most of this analysis is going to happen here in Google Search Console. And I have our own Google Search Console account open, and I'm going to walk you through this approach. We start by going to the performance report here. And what we're going to see for the last 3 months in this case is total clicks, total impressions. We can turn on the click-through rate and turn on the average position. Now we have all the data. And we want to first go to the pages because we want to find the pages that are receiving the most clicks and the most impressions from search, organic search. So I'm going to actually sort first by impressions because this is going to indicate generally which pages are getting the most impressions or ranking the highest for popular keywords. And I see this page here, which is a post that we wrote a couple of years ago around higher education marketing. So I'm going to click into this page. And next, I want to analyze the search queries or the keywords that are driving clicks and getting impressions. So here it's default sorted by clicks. I can also sort by impressions. If I sort by impressions, I'm going to notice that the queries that are receiving the most impressions are ranking really far back, position 76 or position 41. But here I see one that has a good number of impressions, but it's ranking great, almost position 4 or 3. And I think we're going to get some better insights if we sort by clicks. When I sort by clicks, I'm going to see now pages where we are ranking pretty strong, but we could probably do better. And I'm going to look for some opportunities where we might have a chance to re-optimize and retarget for some keywords. So I'm seeing keywords that include, for example, admissions marketing plan, marketing strategy for college admissions, and enrollment funnel. And here we're ranking generally about middle or below the fold on the first page. So I've identified a page that has opportunity, and I've identified now some specific keywords that we can improve in our keyword targeting on the page. So let's go to the page, and let's first of all look at the page title. And in this case, the page title is Higher Education Marketing, How to Optimize Admissions. And we want to see if we can re-optimize that page title for our target keywords that we identified in Google Search Console. And we also probably can improve the meta description of this particular page, because our goal in improving the title and the meta description tag is to improve the click-through rate from the search results. Higher click-through rate is going to result in higher rankings. So that's step one. It's basically to identify keywords and to re-optimize the page title and the meta description for better keyword targeting and for a higher click-through rate. Step number 2 is going to be to improve the content of the page and to better match it to searcher intent. And searcher intent really is the reason behind a search. So if our keyword here is admissions marketing plan, the best way to infer searcher intent is to just Google the term and to see what pages are ranking in the top 3 positions. And also it's interesting to note that people also ask is appearing here, and we can get some other related topic ideas to add to our post. But what we really want to do is we want to click through and read the content of these top ranking pages and really better understand how Google is interpreting searcher intent and what types of topic areas we might be missing that we can add to our page. So that's step number 2, is to improve and enhance the content to better match searcher intent. And step number 3 is going to be to build internal links from other high authority pages on our website pointing to this page. And what that's going to do is flow link equity and page authority into this page, and that's going to boost the rankings. Links are still a major factor, including internal links. So what we want to do in this process is we want to identify pages that might also touch on higher education marketing. And we want to look for natural places to create internal links using keyword-rich anchor text that are going to point to this page. And that's going to flow that link juice into this page. So just to recap, step number 1 is to identify the pages with the highest priority and find keywords that you want to target for those pages. Step number 2 is to rewrite the page title and the meta description tag so that you can improve the click-through rate from the search results. Step number 3 is going to be to improve the content of the page to better match searcher intent. And that's going to be done by researching the content from the top ranking pages on Google. And finally, step number 4 is going to be to build internal links from other high page authority pages on your website to your target page. If you do that, this process will work, and it's going to bring you more traffic, higher rankings from your existing content. Thanks a lot for watching.